Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is formula. Formula is a data type that will result in the form of checkbox, currency, date time, number, percent, text and time. A formula is an algorithm that derives its value from other fields, expressions or values. It can help us automatically calculate the value of the field based on other fields. If we update any value in the expression, it automatically updates formula field value. Formula is read-only field that evaluate from expression. So formula are classified into two types. Simple formula, when we want to write the logic using only fields of the object. Values of these fields are computed using simple logic. Advanced formula, when we want to write the logic using fields of the objects and its parent object. Values of these fields are computed based on complex logic using predefined functions provided by Salesforce. Steps to create formula: setup, object manager, choose object, fields and relationships, new. Step 1, choose data type as formula. Step 2, choose return type. Step 3, enter formula. Step 4, establish field level security. Step 5, click save button. Let's see an example for formula. Let's find out the age of the employee by creating the formula on date of birth field of employee object. Log into our Salesforce account by on the employee object. Just open the record. So we are going to calculate the year of this particular employee by given date of birth. So let's create a field, edit object. So in the details of employee, click on fields and relationships, click on new. So in the first step we have to look for formula. So that is this one, a read-only field that derives its value from a formula expression you define. The formula field is updated when any of the source field change. So click next, provide the name of this field. I am providing here age, and this is the formula return type. So what will be this? So I am going to take the number, exact number in the year what it is going to display. So number calculates a numeric value. So here at the bottom options we are seeing decimal values. I am not taking any decimal value because I need exact number in years. So click on next button. So for this I am going with advanced formula. So I need to calculate the age of particular employee by the given date of birth. So from the today in the function section, just I am going to take today function. This one, insert selected function today. Just I am subtracting the field date of birth employee date of birth, insert, and this will be in a whole bracket, closing parenthesis, and again the opening parenthesis, and all is going to be divided by 365. Check the syntax. So note syntax error in the merge field or function. Description we can provide and help text. So click on next button. Field level security, I am going with default. Click next. Page layout, on the employee page layout, click save. So again coming back to our employee management system application, click on reload this page. Click on employee. Again just we are going to open that particular record. So we are seeing the age is like 13 years it's coming. So from 2011 up to now it's calculating 13 years. So if I am changing the value this and I am making it 2000, then it's let's see the value is getting updated or not. So yeah, it's coming 24. So from 2000 to up to now, that is 24. So like this we are creating the formula field. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.